Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. As you can tell from this is a different setup, and that is because I have just moved. Today I am making a Prince inspired makeup video, and I've been inspired by Prince a lot. I'm a big fan of his. What I'm going to do is, like I said, a Prince inspired makeup look. And I'm also going to be, sorry about that, I'm also going to be doing a review of the It Superhero Mascara because I've seen it used on other people, and it has been, first of all, I have concealed and primed my lids, curled my eyelashes, and if you're new, I don't do face makeup, so that's ready too. And I have some chapstick on because my lips have been dry lately. I am also in a new time zone, so that, I've moved and I'm in a new time zone. So, let's see. Just one second, I gotta open this new Kat Von D, well, it's new to me, Danzig. It's this purple eyeshadow, and I usually don't do just one color. I usually combine different purples to make, a monochromatic look, but I'm going to be using just this one because that's not going to be the main focus of the look. It's just to give it background, and it's not going to be a typical base coat background. It's going to be just to make what I'm going to do show up. So I'm going to be putting on some of this Danzig. I think I'm just going to pack it on the lid here. And it's such a nice color, and it just packs on really well. This eyeshadow, the formula, just packs on so nicely. Don't have to work hard, didn't even have to wet the brush. It's so much easier, and if you want it to be in the, if you don't want it to be round, you can, it's just so easy to work with. And it feels good on your eyes. You don't feel like you're wearing any makeup. Okay, so yeah, today I'm going to be breaking some makeup rules, so to speak, and just using this one color on my eyes. I mean, I know it looks like this will be the focal point, but it's really, like I said, just to make the art I'm going to draw stand out, and I have not ever drawn anything on my eyes, so you will be the first to see this, see how well I do on this. And I'm going to have faith in myself that I'm going to do a really good job on this. Oh, that was so nice. Yay, that worked out well. Okay. So what I decided to do is, instead of just doing, oh yeah, we're going to do a purple rain, which there's nothing wrong with that at all, like at all. So I'm being kind of mean about it, but is I'm going to take, and I guess I really hadn't planned on this, is Kat Von D's Neruda, and it's a white eyeliner, and I want to draw the head of a dove and wing it out in honor of When Doves Cry. So we're going to do that and just see how easy or hard it difficult that it is to draw this. And if it doesn't work, then we'll do something different. But let's see, I think we'll start it here. If it doesn't work out, then we'll do something completely different. We'll just do some, the wing part might be the easiest part, so maybe we'll start there and put some white. Okay, here's the wing. See, it's flying away. So there we go. I mean, I think it's looking good in my mirror. See how it looks over there. What you are seeing. Okay. I don't think it looks too jacked up. I don't think it looks jacked up at all, actually. Like, just to do a wing, a white wing for when doves cry. And this might be enough to get the point across. That's the thing about makeup, you might go in with one plan and then do something a little bit different or even completely different. So I know it's not a pointed wing or traditional winged eyeliner, and people will probably clock me on that, but they can, you know, kiss my ass, because I don't care. I mean, I'm going to point it a little bit up here, maybe, but... Okay, let's shake this a little bit just to make sure it's all coming out a little bit. There's some more white coming out. And then we'll see if we can get a little bit of a beak going. This isn't as precise an eyeliner as her Trooper eyeliner, so it might not turn out as well as I would like for it to. Yeah, it's not, I mean, it's there, but it's, yeah, so I think that's what we'll do. We'll just make it really, make just a really, really thick wing. Because I don't think we have to force the symbolism on people, because if we force it, it's not symbolism anymore. Okay. And then perhaps we'll go back and add some more purple. Just because it was, because it's coming off a little bit, maybe bring some up too. Hopefully it's not to the point where it's garish, but just, you know, bring some color to it so it doesn't look like white out. And then perhaps we'll put some Smoking a little bit underneath the purple. Put some purple on the tip of the brush here. And just kind of smoke it out a little bit. All right. Okay, so there's the eyeshadow. Now we're going to try let's try this Superhero Mascara, which I hear, or well, I've actually seen it. I saw Jeffree Star try it on, and it really made his eyelashes look like falsies. So this is the brush. You know, not anything amazing, not anything different really, but we'll see. See what it does to my eyelashes. I have to say I tried the new Smashbox mascara that I forget the name of it. It's in a red tube. Wasn't impressed with it. Formula was too thin for me. Did not care for it too much. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, it's pretty good. Separates really well. Yeah, separates really well. Darkens where you need it, which I need the darkening because I have really light eyelashes. Okay. Okay, let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think this looks good. And since I don't wear false eyelashes on the regular, I want my mascara to make my eyelashes look good. And we'll put some on the bottom, see what it does there. Okay. So that looks pretty good. So if you do wear false eyelashes, I think it does a pretty good job on the bottom as well. And I think we might want to clean this up a little bit on, get a blank brush and just kind of blend this a little bit so it doesn't get too liney. You bring some up top too. Just kind of blend it up a little farther. Since I want the wing to be more of the focus in the purple. And I'm going to go ahead and do that over here too. Alright, go ahead and add some purple on the bottom lashes, or the bottom lid with this. Okay. I am going to do this eye, the rest of this eye, off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I'm back, and the thing I noticed with the Superhero mascara is that the top, this weird shape, when you go to your non-dominant side, so if you're right-handed and you go to your left eye, it's kind of awkward to hold. At least it was for me while I was putting on the mascara. But other than that, I like the mascara. It's a good one. So my eyes don't feel itchy or dry or anything like that, so I like it. It's a good one. So I would put it in probably one of my top 5 favorite mascara. So I would say yes on that one. And so I'm going to use my Sephora lip primer. So I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics. It's one of their pop art colors in Bam, and it's a purple. This is the final look. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you next week. Bye.